welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is my day off, so as you can see, I haven't really gotten dressed. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. So I just have my workout clothes, got my hair tied up so that my edges can stay in place when I work out. But this video is an unboxing. It is an unboxing of my new glasses from GlassesUSA.com. Okay, so what I like about Glasses USA is that they keep you up to date on what's going on in the process, when your order has been received, processed, when the glasses are being made, your prescription is being added, once they have finally shipped. And I have been ordering glasses for them for a few years, from them for a few years now. Okay, so as you can see, it comes in a plastic type of packaging, Glasses USA, and then there's a box, and this is GlassesUSA.com. Actually, these glasses that I currently have on, they're a pair of Chloe glasses. This is my last prescription from last year. These also came from Glasses USA. Okay. So as you can see here, ta-da! So inside the box, there is a Glasses USA coupon. It says, say my name, get a $10 Amazon gift card with every friend you introduce to us. Ooh. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in GlassesUSA.com, it says just tell them to write your name at checkout and they'll get 10% off of their new glasses at GlassesUSA.com. So if any of you guys decide to go and look for glasses and end up purchasing some, please put my name. It is Staci Huddleston. So yeah, please put my name in there. I don't even know how that will work, but anywho, you'll get 10% off. Okay. There is a cloth to clean my glasses with. It's a black cloth, which I'm sure I currently need, but I'll get it ready for when I show you guys my glasses. Nice size. Let's see how it does on this pair I currently have on. Oh, pretty good. They were pretty dirty, guys. They still are, but good thing I got a new pair. Oh, I can see you guys so much better now. Okay, the next thing is my prescription card from GlassesUSA.com. And as you can see on the back, oh, there you go. You have my name and my actual prescription so that I can always have this. It also says 90 days members only offer. Get 25% off your next order. And then they gave me a code for that. So like if I wanted to purchase another pair of glasses or something else from the site within the next 90 days, I can get 25% off with this card. And then the moment you all have been waiting for. So I actually got a pair of Givenchy glasses. And so they come in the case. Nice black card case, matte finish. Sorry, it's upside down for you guys. There you go. And ta-da! Okay, so these are a black cat eye frame. That's what I went with. They are in plastic. I'll let you see that the box has a, I don't want to call it crushed velvet, but some kind of a crushed velvet lining. And then you can see they put the lenses, I guess that were in there from Givenchy in my case. And then of course my prescription lenses are in here as well. Okay, so here they are. Oh my goodness, guys, don't they look amazing? So they look a lot like the glasses I have on. I don't know why, but I just tend to keep getting the same style, probably because it suits my face. But so these, they have a different shape, my Chloe glasses, and they're like a brown black combo, as you guys can see. The frames I currently just purchased are an all black frame, so that is a different look. Okay, I'll let you guys see. So you have your Givenchy on both of the arms, and then there's this keyhole right there at the part that goes over your ear. Okay guys, let's try them on. Okay, the good thing is they're super clean. I can see super clearly. I think they suit my face once I get my little makeup on and my hair done up. Yeah, these are super cute. You guys see? Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever tried to order glasses online. They have this site. I will give you guys a tour of that Glasses USA site, actually, because you can go on to the site, you can upload a picture, and you can try on the glasses that you like. So I'll go into my favorites, or the ones that I have saved, and I will show you me trying them on and how easy it is to order from GlassesUSA.com. I believe it took about 2 weeks. I can't remember exactly. I may let you guys know that a little bit later. But yeah, so I love them. They're amazing. And I've always been impressed by Glasses USA. Quality, timeliness of my purchases, and just the overall product. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you like to see more unboxings, then let me know.